So we're just going through the contacts, a little air just to clean some stuff up. We've got various contacts that need cleaning. We're just going through these with a nice bit of contact cleaner, and this should keep everything tickety-boo and functioning perfectly for the season.
The upholstery is looking really good on the boat now, Matt. That's all fitted.
Yeah, it's looking great. So we just had that back. So we've just got all our life jackets back from their annual service. It's a case of just checking their serial numbers against what's on our paper trail system. Ready for the season ahead.